Hi, I'm Priyanka from Intel. In this video, we covered the OpenVINO Toolkit Hetero plugin and how to run your computer vision application on Intel Movidius Neural Compute Stack. The first thing that you need to keep in mind is choosing the right hardware. You should make your choice based on the power performance trade-off. Considering the tight requirements for power and performance, it is obvious that in order to be competitive, we must use accelerators. But what if the workload consists of many different tasks? Some tasks will run better on CPU, some better on GPU, and so on. Can we run each portion of the code on different devices? That is what we call heterogeneous computing. There are different approaches for heterogeneity. For example, data versus task, static versus dynamic, and so on. Inference Engine supports task-level parallelism heterogeneity with the fallback policy. For example, let's run the classification example with the hetero plugin and discuss its functionality. I have added hetero with the -d flag and defined the device priority as CPU and GPU. Inference Engine will first check if the model topology layers are supported by the CPU. If not, Inference Engine runs the unsupported layers on the second defined device. In our case, it's the integrated GPU. Another popular low-power hardware is the Movidius Neural Compute Stack. It is a hardware accelerator in USB format with the single vision processing unit. It supports deep learning frameworks such as TensorFlow and Caffe. It is being widely used in drones, surveillance cameras, virtual reality headsets, and other low-power intelligent and autonomous products. Now let's run the classification application on the Movidius Neural Compute Stack. First, connect it to your computer. You don't have to install NCS SDK for using it with the Inference Engine. Set up the USB rules. In order to run the application on the Movidius Neural Compute Stack, add myred after the -d flag. Remember that Movidius Neural Compute Stack requires input model in FP16 format. This can be done at Model Optimizer Converter command. Your application is now running on the Movidius Neural Compute Stack. Similarly, you can run the same application on FPGA as well with the DLA plugin. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we cover optimization techniques for your computer vision application using the OpenVINO toolkit.
Hey, I hope you liked this video. If you haven't seen our other videos on the Intel Software YouTube channel, remember to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a comment. Tell us what other material you'd like to see and chat with other enthusiasts who watch our shows. See you next time.